let me show you all screen lock methods available on Realme GT 7T. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and let's choose security and privacy. And over here, of course, we can go to device unlock in order to find all settings related to screen lock. So in this case, of course, we can find the fingerprint and face unlock features, so we can use these biometrics in order to unlock our phone. However, in order to be able to use these biometrics, first we need to set up the screen lock password, which can be found over here, of course, in screen lock. So let me enter mine. In this case, we have three main types. We have pattern, where we need to connect at least 4 dots. And then we also have alphanumeric, where we can use numbers and letters in order to create a password. And there is also numeric, so you can only use numbers in order to create the password. By default, if you choose this option, this screen lock type, or password type, you need to enter 6 digits. However, you can also tap over here on use a different password type in order to switch, for example, to 4 digits, or you can just switch to anything else that you wish to use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.